Nan, Babu Kabalen, kumusta kayo po? My name is Louie.
My name is Marco Nanan. We're in Pampanga, where we discover great places for you to check
For
out.
today's vlog, nandito po tayo ngayon sa Angeles City, particularly Rosana Street, Balibago. We were invited to experience po yung opening ng isang bagong-bagong international restaurant.
Yeah, so this is a newest place na pwede nyo pag-dine in, especially sa mga family, friends, and siguro kahit mga business people.
Yeah, so they serve international cuisine. They also have a place for KTV, a wide array of menu. Guys, if you want to know more about this, samahan niyo po kami.
So tara, let's go!
So, ayun guys, look at our table for today.
Actually, what is good thing here is hindi lang isang table, pero dalawang table ng food yung sinerve nila.
Very generous. Thank you so much, Xyrelle Diner. And
Titikman natin mga sinerve nilang food at the same time, papakita namin sa inyo kung ano yung tsura ng place ng Xyrelle's Diner dito sa Angeles, Pampanga.
alright, let's go.
Lagi ko Dino Jose, Candelaria. Early 20s ko pa po. Mag-food and beverage na ako. Isang tayo ganing frap tamo, titamong cookies and cream, strawberry yogurt, coffee jelly, abat ka rin milk tea tamo, titamong creamy taro, and dark choco with cream puff. At titamo rin kay Kenny fruit tea like raspberry, blueberry, and bestseller tamo green apple lychee with nata. Yan. And then next, at titamo rin ice macadamia. Then at titamo hot caramel macchiato and coffee latte, and margarita, and tequila sunrise, and fresh mango smoothie. Yes. Kompleto tamo ka rin drinks tamo. Kaya pag maragol ko ka rin drinks tamo, alayang, ayaw ko maglagay fructose, no sugar at all. Pero nung burida sweet, pwede lang mag-request naman. Yan. Guarantee ko na manyaman ganyan. Yan. Halos kompleto tamo nung nakakita namin kahit tamo parking.
Welcome to Xyrelle's Diner by Chef Daniel. Kenny po, mga tanong. Actually, international cuisine siya. Atin tamong Mexican, atin tamong American cuisine, atin tamong, siyempre, Kapampangan. Tayo mo ala ko ita. Atin tamong shawarma, pizza, Hawaiian, shrimp, and garlic sausage. Atin tamong pepperoni, beef and garlic, 4 cheese, and bacon and cheese. Actually, diyang adwang yung buridang flavor, pwede. Tapos, we have two kind of shell, the hard and the soft. And then, Mexican burritos. Atin tamong platter ka rin, Mexican platter. Atin tamong tacos in hard shell, quesadilla, hindi nga mo no kung Mexican rice, and enchilada. Ayan yung kagmaragulming quesadilla. Atin tamong Filipino platter, tintang sisig, atsara, chicken finger, and barbecue steak. This is a mixed seafood, spicy seafood.
So for our chicken naman, sir, what flavors do we have?
Xyrelle special, barbecue, and soy garlic, and teriyaki. This is a Xyrelle salad. And yung dressing na is strawberry vinaigrette. Baby back ribs. Actually, atsara mi is labanus and papaya. Atin tamong US Angus and porterhouse. Pasta marinara. And atin tapang pagmargul mitang ala Charlie Chan style. Our own version of Charlie Chan. Atin tamo Kenny asadong dila, lutong matwa. Niluto keking traditional way, itang tiro ng apo ko kanako. Kaya kami ginamit tomato paste, tomato sauce, from scratch tomato. So I decide na dinangking potato chips para there's something international touch, fusion. And then, atin tamo kaya ni pagmarugol is lengua. Pero, dininangking medyo gourmet, caramelized onion. And atin tamo pa kaya ni is beef caldereta, dininangking cheese para mas creamier yung kahit mo, yung caldereta. From scratch nga ning pamangan. Pati yung gravy may gagawan mi from scratch. 100% pamangan mi is pane fresh and manyaman.
Yun, Mark. Finally, nakaupo na rin tayo kasi kanina pa ako excited actually. Yeah, again, thank you so much Xyrelle Diner for being such a generous host dito po
Yes.
sa vlog po natin. And sample lang to nung mga sinerve nila sa atin. Meron pa tayong isang table dito. Pero naupo tayo dun sa perfect table. So meron tayong mga steak dito which are served, no? These are US grade steaks.
Yes, so legit sila kumbaga.
Legit. Okay, but first, before yon, so I wanna taste first yung kanilang mga appetizer. Muna tayo, syempre.
Yung kanilang mga chicken wings.
Chicken wings, yes.
Siguro ako titikman ko yung kanilang pizza.
Mm-hmm.
So dito yung Xyrelle's Diner. They could serve yung pizza, it's either yung whole, o kaya kung meron kayong 4 na flavor na gusto, pwede nyong pagsama sa isang pizza.
Yeah, so very customizable. At the same time, kung sabi nga nung according to our orientation dito, anything you want for your pizza topping, di ba?
Yeah.
You can actually customize it.
So yun, natikman ko yung kanilang 4 cheese.
Uh-huh.
So talagang masasabi napaka-cheesy. Yeah. Lasang-lasang talaga yung cheese.
Actually, aside from the food, another interesting thing na makikita mo dito is yung lugar.
Yes.
You notice, very simple, very humble. However, I think the place can accommodate up until 50 packs.
Yes.
And then, meron tayong mga sections for private gatherings.
Yes, it's either you could have your party here, lalo na nauso yung mga surprises party.
Yes.
At the same time, kung may mga business meetings kayo, pwede nyong gawin dito.
Uh-huh.
Or kahit simpleng family dinner lang.
I think so. Kung sino lang kayong nagda-dine, yun lang yung nasa kwarto. So,
Yes.
pwede yun. Aside from
Napaka-private kumbaga.
Yeah.
At the same time, meron din silang mga video kayo dito.
video, okay.
Lalo na, tamang-tamang sa mga party, kung kayo mahilig kumanta,
Kumanta. Ayan.
yung buong room is sa inyo.
It's actually yours.
So next kong titikman, syempre yung kanilang pinagmamalaking Angus beef. Yan.
Ayun. So, ako naman guys, I'll save my steak later. Kasi ito yung titikman ko muna. This is their mixed seafood. What I like about it, it's not too sour. Para sa akin, it's almost Filipino-ish. Again, loaded sa sahog, no? Now, if you want to go to the alfresco section naman, so open space, open air, ayan, pwede tayo doon. At the same time, they are open from 11 a.m. up until 11 p.m. So I think, very romantic yung lugar na yon kapag ganun yung oras, no?
Actually, and located sila dito sa may Rosana Street, Mountain View, Balibago, Angeles City. So napakadaling puntahan lang.
Exactly.
So speaking of, ang sarap nung nila, Angus beef. So the best. And take note, sila yung pinakamurang Angus beef na sinaserve.
When you go here, sabi ko nga dito, it's a one-stop shop, no? So you have your great dining experience for beverages. Like for example, gusto mo lang magpa-refresh.
Yes.
You want a frap, a milk tea. You want also a fruit tea.
Yes.
Gusto mo naman mag-chill, so they also have some hot coffee, mga ganyan. It doesn't necessarily mean you have to dine.
Yes.
Baga, chill lang. When you go here, chill lang, di ba? You also have cocktails na available dito. I got really interested doon sa sinabi ni Chef kanina, which is yung kanilang mga Kapampangan food. So let me try this one. And there you have it. This is the traditional lengua.
Yes.
Yan. Most of the time, when we were still young, usually nakakain lang natin to sa mga fiesta. No?
Sa mga barrio.
Mga barrio, yan. So good thing, very experienced yung chef natin dito. And kumbaga, hand-down recipe. Generations of generation, kumbaga, yung learning ng kanyang mga sinaunang parents, grandparents, nagpasalin-salin yung kanilang secrets.
Another Kapampangan dish naman na
ganito.
titikman ko is yung kanilang creamy caldereta. Wow. Amoy pa lang, talagang mapapakanin ka. Ang lambot ng
Lambot,
mga
no?
meat nila. No?
Lambot, grabe. Given na ang dami nilang sinaserve dito, at Xyrelle's Diner is trying to give impression sa mga customer natin is, number one is it's a one-stop shop restaurant. You have your beverage, food. Number two is, sa food naman nila, is wide variety. If you can check out their menu, sobrang dami po ng mga available choices nila. Kung ano man yung preference mo, is meron sila. Internationally, Mexican,
Filipino, Korean, meron din sila.
American,
Italian, so anything na siguro naisip mo na kainin.
yeah, actually including Asian, nakita ko kanina, meron
Yes.
silang 4 noodles. Yeah.
So talagang makikita ko dito sa Xyrelle's Diner.
Yun. So I guess this is the last dish na titikman natin. And take a look at this, guys. This is very amazing. I think this is shareable up until 3 persons.
3 to 4, depends on your appetite.
Yeah. So you have your chicken fingers, barbecue, and Kapampangan sisig. So no mayo, no egg. It's Kapampangan. So we also have achara. Okay. O, titikman ko to. Straight from the stick. Let's taste it.
Okay ka na lang mga chicken fingers.
It's very, zesty. Physical appearance pa lang, makikita nyo na ang dami niyang herbs and spices na so hindi siya tinipid. That's the regular, not the regular barbecue.
Siguro kung ikaw yung malakas na appetite, yung isang serving na to, for sure mabubusog ka na. Sulit pa.
We're sure gonna enjoy this. Again, guys, if you like the food you saw in this video, sobrang dami pa po nila if you go here. So we encourage you to try it out.
Yes.
At the same time, they guarantee that you're gonna enjoy, number one, the food, and then the homey vibe dito sa Xyrelle Diner.
Yes. So this is another option for you to dine in dito sa may Angeles, Pampanga. And another place then to try their food. So,
Alright, so guys, thank you so much for watching We're in Pampanga. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends. Kung hindi pa po kayo nakasubscribe sa channel namin, please do so para po updated kayo sa mga pinupuntahan natin dito sa Pampanga.
so that's it. Thank you for watching We're in Pampanga. Until our next discovery.
Peace out. Cheers, guys.